great news. If you're following me on my Facebook, if you're following me on my Instagram pages, then you already know what this news is. But I just wanted to come and give you more details on what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So if you could please just go ahead and click subscribe, click like, click share, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm updating my videos, because I have so much planned and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so go ahead, click subscribe, and let's get into this. So if you already follow me on my social media platforms, then you're probably here because of this reason. But for those of you who are not yet following me on my social media platforms, I want to welcome you here and give you the exciting news that I will be starting my own skincare line. It will be completely organic. It will be completely vegan, paraben free. It will be handmade with these hands here by me with love for you all. And I am just so excited about it. And I just wanted to give some background on how I even got here. For the followers who already know me, you know that I am a licensed natural hair stylist. I actually do hair for a living, and hair has been my passion and my gift and my calling since I was about 12 years old. That's when I started doing hair for money, when I was like 12. So in that, in following my passion, of course, once you cross into natural hair, you kind of more comes with natural hair than just not processing your hair chemically. So I kind of fell into I went balls deep into a natural, holistic way of living. And I would fluctuate, and I would do really well, and then I would fall off the wagon. I do really well, and I connect with someone who wasn't on that path and get kind of knocked off of my path. And lately, I'll say like the past year and a half or so, I've been consistently on my path of holistic living and taking care of myself and just really learning. It's been learning. And so that has led me to creating my own skincare line. As you know from my previous videos, I talked to you all about my struggles with my skin and how much I had to learn and completely basically rebuild myself and rebuild my way of life in order to heal my skin from the inside out so that you can see the person that you see today. And along that journey, I learned pretty much about every root, powder, herb, everything that you could possibly think of. I put myself through holistic school. Like, I learned everything. I learned what it does, and I changed my skincare regimen to match my life path. Basically, I started removing products and things that were going to disrupt my hormones. I started removing things from my skincare that my skin would not like, that would affect me long term. And for a while, I'll say maybe about a year and a half, 2 years. If you've been a client of mine, you know we talk about skin and just internal care all the time. And I had a client about a year and a half ago. We were having one of our normal talks. She's actually a medical doctor. She is a doctor. And so we have these talks, and she kind of confirms that I'm on the right path, because even from her long-standing, she's been a doctor for a long time, even from her long-standing medical standpoint, we always agree on the path I am and the things that I have learned and the things that I'm doing to heal myself. And so I was talking to her one day, and she was like, Erica, I really feel like you should just go ahead and just go into skincare. Go to school, go into skincare, XYZ. Why don't you just do it? Well, if you're like me and you're human, which I think everybody watching this is a human, you know that we often talk ourselves out of stuff, out of fear. For me, being a perfectionist, for me, it's like out of fear of failure. If I don't do something, it's not because I don't think I can do it. It's more so because I don't want to do it and it flops. I was born this way. I've been this way my whole life. I'm a high achiever, and I'm probably the most critical person of myself. So I don't want to do something and it flops. Even like, I have a friend of mine, Jason, he always laughs about how even my partying, like I braid hair, even my partying and my braids, I'm just so specific about everything. So I don't want to half-ass do anything, especially something that I'm bringing to the public, especially something that I'm bringing to people that represents me and represents my brand. So she mentioned it, and I was like, yeah, you know, I've always wanted to do that. When I was in Dallas, I looked into schools. I looked into Aveda Institute. I always would start the journey and then stop. Start the journey and then stop. So, you know, COVID-19 happened, and we've been on pause. And I really have taken this time to really sit down with myself and really just honor myself. Like, what do I want to do? What do I want to accomplish? If it's anything I can accomplish that, and I knew it wouldn't fail, what would I do? You know? And skincare kept popping up. I'm always giving my friends skincare advice, always helping them as much as I can. You know, people come to me, and I appreciate that they have that confidence in me to come to me for advice for skincare or health or diet or anything. Like, I don't take that lightly, and I think it lines up with my life path of what I'm supposed to be doing with helping people. I think that's why God gave me the gift of doing hair. He knew that this journey would plan out the way that it did, and I'm so thankful for that. And so during that, I'm realizing like it's time to expand my business outside of being behind a chair. I love my clients to death. I love my gift to death, but I have found myself before COVID-19 being just burned out in the monotony of just doing hair. It can, especially when you've been doing it as long as I've been doing it. Like I said, I started when I was 12. This has always been something I've done. Even if it wasn't the main thing I done, I did it on the side. It's so easy to get burned out in your passion. And I don't want to let anything inside of me that God gave me go to waste. So I've been spending this time on pause to just think about, like, what else, God, do you have for me? So in that, I have been praying and deeply meditating and just listening to my own voice. And I was like, you know what? I see the skin issues with people all the time. I talk to women about this all the time and say it's time to crank this up a notch and share with them what I do for myself. So I started mixing some stuff up, and if you've never created a product, whether it be a hair product, skin product, it's not as simple as going to the beauty supply store and getting what's on the beauty supply store shelf and mixing it up and saying, here, you get this. Like, there's a lot that goes into creating a product, especially skincare, because you have to really understand. It's a scientific side to it. It's a mathematical side to it. Sterilization, like, it's so much that goes into skincare. And even if you're hand making your products, there's so much that you have to learn and so much that you have to know to make sure that you bring people a good product that's going to benefit them, but also you have to follow certain protocols and you have to know what you're putting in the products. So I spent a lot of time, weeks and weeks, researching. I knew what I wanted to use in my product, but I had to understand how to put it together in a way that would benefit you all. So once I did that and I was like, okay, I think that this could work, I presented it to my friends. I have the most amazing friends. I go to them, I talk to them. They know how anal I am about being accurate and being on point with what I do. And so I just threw it out there. I was like, y'all, like, if I do a skincare line, like, do you think that people would buy it? Like, do you really think people would buy this? And they, of course, they were like, do it. Do it. Go for it. If you do not have a circle of people around you that are going to push you off the edge, when I say push you off the edge, I mean that in a positive way. Like, sometimes we need to be pushed off the edge so we can jump to the other side of our life. If you don't have friends like that, I pray that you get a circle like that that's going to push you. My friends were like, do it. So when they said do it, like, I just felt like it was more wind beneath my wings, and I went into go mode. So over the past few weeks, like, I have my notebook here of me just writing formulas, writing, oh my God, costs. You know, if you're a business owner, you understand that so much goes into a business. I have spent so much time writing, so many hours, so much research, sometimes staying up. I remember one night I was talking to a friend of mine. I realized that I stayed up all day. Like, I woke up at 8 o'clock the previous day, and the sun was up before I went to sleep the next day, because I was in full research mode. Like, I was on go, because I really want this to be amazing, and I know it's going to be amazing. So I didn't want to bring y'all some flim flam stuff, and I didn't want to copy and paste somebody else's formula or somebody else's marketing or somebody else's thing and bring it to you. Like, this is genuine from me, from the heart. I put my everything into this. So I do have my skincare line coming. I am sticking to my brand name because it's already established. So the name of the skincare line is Chin Naturals. Some people see the spelling and they are not sure how to pronounce it. I pronounce it Chin. It's actually a Hebrew word, so the CH actually makes a KH sounds. It means grace or favor. A lot of people don't know that, but if you've come to me for hair, then you know that. But because I don't expect people to be able to speak Hebrew or pronounce it, I just go with the phonetic spelling of it, which is Chin Naturals. So you will see that brand. I am speaking into existence that you will see that brand in stores, in salons, in everywhere. And I have my testers here, which I don't have my labels yet. My labels are on the way, but I have my testers here, and I went with the dark amber bottles. This is the serum bottle, and this is the cleanser. Like, the only thing about the cleanser is I'm going with a different top for my cleanser. So when you receive your product, it will not have this top. It will have a different top because of the consistency of the cleanser. I wanted you all to be able to basically just spray it out. I use these on myself. These are the only things I cleanse my skin with. My serum is the only serum I put on my face in my skincare regimen. It is my moisturizer. It is my everything. I did this video in natural lighting today with no makeup because I wanted you all to really be able to see me. This product can be used all over your body. It does not only have to be used on your face. If you have acne in your chest area, or you have acne in your back, wherever you have acne issues, scarring, a lot of people said that they had issues with scarring. So wherever you have scarring, wherever you have acne issues, this can be used there. The only thing that I could see a person not being able to purchase my product is if they have a tree nut allergy. If you have a tree nut allergy, this product is not for you. I have not yet formulated a product that doesn't have tree nuts because the ingredients in it are known to be 100% effective for the issues that you all have. It's going to balance your moisture levels to where you're not, as you can see today, like, I don't look oily. It's going to balance the sebum in your skin so that you don't look oily throughout the day. You can use it before you put your makeup on. For my makeup ladies who know all about makeup, this can be used before your primer, or it can be used as your primer, whichever way you want to go. For my makeup ladies, so it's going to sit under your skin, and it's not going to settle in the skin to where you have lines, wrinkles, etc. It's balanced. The serum is completely balanced, and my skin is so soft. Like, it's soft, I promise. So the cleanser is going to dry up those oily places. The cleanser is also going to heal those acne issues and heal those scars. I use these products. This is not something that I'm giving to you all that I haven't tested on myself. People wondering about my skin. I have extremely oily combination, acne prone, super sensitive skin. I know a lot of people don't realize that, but I do. It's super sensitive. I can get very, very oily, and I am acne prone. I'm telling you. using these products in conjunction with taking care of yourself, keeping your stress levels down, feeding your body good things, you will see the changes that you want to see. So I am so excited. I posted a promotion saying that if I reached a certain amount of followers, I would do a giveaway for my product, and I exceeded that. Well, y'all did, and I thank you so much for that. I'm so grateful. I'm so honored that you believed enough to subscribe and to like and to share. And so I will be giving a giveaway 2 sets of my product. I'll be putting my product in it, and I will also be putting some of my favorites in it. It's going to include some of the herbal teas that I like to drink to make myself feel good around that special time of the month. It's going to include some goodies, so I'm excited. I'll be coming back when I get all of the ingredients for the giveaway together to give you a little preview of the box. It's gonna be super cute. Y'all know if I do it, I'm not gonna halfway do it. It's gonna be super cute, super nice. But I just wanted to come today to let you all know that I'm so excited to go on this skincare journey with you all. I'm so excited to help you. I will of course be doing a actual skincare routine video showing you how I cleanse my skin. I'm excited about that, just so you can see how the product works, see how you should use the product, see what you need to do, what you don't need to do. And I'm so excited to take this journey with you all. I also had a request for my bone broth soup that I make to make me feel better when I'm not feeling well. It'll help balance your hormones. It also helps, so it's good around that time of the month, but it's also good to keep your immune system up. And I know that a lot of people have immune system scares right now with everything going on with COVID-19. So I'm going to do that video this week because you all deserve it. It's yummy, it's good, and it's so healthy. I've posted it on my Instagram stories before, and people are like, what is that? What do you have in there? Like, it's good, I promise. It's good, and it's just so comforting to the soul. And I'm all about my soul being comforted in today's crazy society. So I'm excited about that. I can't wait to give you all everything that I have. Thank you so much. Continue to subscribe. There's going to be more giveaways. I have so much to give, so there's going to be more giveaways. And like I said, subscribe, share, like, stay tuned. I am so excited to take this journey with you all. So excited for Chin Natural Skincare line. And you all stay safe, stay socially distanced, take care of yourself, keep your stress level down, do some yoga if you have to. Take care of yourself during this time, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. Goodbye. I will see you all, well, not goodbye, later. I will talk to you all later this week. Thank you.